Hello guys, do you know with Photoshop you can create amazing stuff? Photoshop is broad. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching us easy way to create light effect in Photoshop. Let's go there. I'm going to be showing us easy way to add light effect to this street light. The first thing we'll be doing is creating a new layer by coming to this place, click on it, it will create a new layer for you. So come to your blend option. This is your blend option. Click on your blend option, come to overlay, click on it. Okay, now come to your rectangular marquee tool, click on it. Now you draw it. Okay, this is okay. After clicking on it, now you come to your gradient tool, click on your gradient tool, you come to this particular place, click on it. After you click on it, make sure your opacity is on 0, not 100. 0. If you are done, click on OK. Now come to the top of this place, press shift on it, then drag it. Okay, this is what we have gotten. Now drop your tool, press Ctrl D to deselect. Now you press Ctrl T to transform it. Right click on your keyboard, right click. Now locate your perspective, click on it. Now you press Ctrl or Command on your keyboard, hold on Command, then curve it like this. After doing that, press Enter on your keyboard, then come to your filter, come to your blur, come to your Gaussian blur. Now you can either choose to increase it or reduce it. Now this is perfect and okay. Yeah, click on OK. Now this is very beautiful and easy to do on Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more updates and videos like this. Till next time. Bye bye.